Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we are going to be testing out the Stalk'R by Fenty Beauty. As you can see, I am at the stage of my makeup right now where I need some bronzing to do. I love bronzer so much that when I find something, I tend to stick with it for years. I don't know, I've just been in a kick lately. Like, I want to try out more bronzers. My bronzer collection isn't that big, so when I saw this I was like, perfect. I love Fenty. I mostly love their face products, so I'm so excited to test this out. But before we get started, I want to remind you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also turn your post notifications on so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video. Let's get started. Fenty Beauty knocks it out of the park with packaging all the time. She stays on brand so well. I just busted out a new foundation, by the way. So I am using the Pro Filter foundation by Fenty Beauty. Little Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes and my Laura Mercier translucent powder, kind of like all over the skin but mainly baked under my eyes. But as you can see, my face looks kind of sort of flat right now, and I want to see how this baby wears. So it says that it's an instant warmth bronzer, which is exactly what I'm looking for, especially for these summer months. I picked up the shade Bajan Gyal. I have no idea how to pronounce that. What it is, a long wear transfer resistant bronzing powder in 8 groundbreaking shades, each carefully curated to bring all skin tones to life. It's claiming to be smooth, creamy, and easy to blend. This light as air bronzer gives you a sun-soaked glow that stays put all day. Whether you're looking for warmth or contouring, it does it all with the perfect soft matte finish. So I'm gonna open her up. Oh, look how beautiful that is. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it's a little hard. Ooh, it does come with a mirror. And this is what the compact looks like. Whew, this might be a little deep for me. Let me compare it to my saddle. No, they're pretty close. Yeah, I think this might be a little deep for me, but regardless, it's bronzer. I feel like bronzer is very versatile, and also you can play around with it a lot. So I'm just gonna take a brush like this and I'm gonna dab a little bit. Ooh, why don't I bronze with this brush more often? That's definitely smooth and buildable. So smooth, it looks so good, and it's not clinging to my foundation or my powder. It's not doing anything weird. It's just good. And I'm just tapping like that to not get too much product, but I feel like you can't go wrong with this bronzer because it does blend out so smoothly and it's buildable. The way that I can describe it to you and how it's blending out to make it look bad, you're gonna have to try very hard. On camera, it definitely looks like a blush on me, but in person, it looks so good. I feel like the camera's picking it up a little bit more reddish than it actually is. So now I'm gonna bronze up my forehead. Oh, it's just so smooth. Like, it doesn't cling on in weird places. I've definitely had a couple of those. It's just soft and smooth and easy to blend. This is just a personal choice. I think I would go a little bit lighter. It's just that Sephora lighting. That Sephora lighting always gets me. Because of the coloring, I'm just toning it down a little bit with my powder brush. But I mean, that's on me. The coloring, that's the color I chose. That's the color I brought home. It was so easy. This product is beautiful inside and out. I had the easiest, smoothest time with this bronzer. My love for saddle is like out of this world, but I think this one totally knocks my little saddle out of the park. It was so smooth. It was easy to blend. I love it. I don't think I've had an easier time bronzing up my face than I did today. I feel like this video is gonna be the shortest ever. I have nothing bad to say about it. The packaging is beautiful. Okay, you guys, so it's a different day. I need seconds. Literally, I didn't do an outro for this video, so I'm popping on here. I have been reaching for this bronzer so much lately that I think it's my new favorite. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.